man, huh?
Man, I got my motherfucking money. Yeah, we had big boy.
Yeah, like Uncle Twin that big, right?
Yeah,
got Uncle Twin with me.
Yeah, we in the city, bro. Nigga playing in the city, dog. Yeah, we on the go. Yeah.
Yo, Twin.
Yeah. Come through the hood in your hood, nigga.
Yeah, okay, Dan.
Nigga, put that on Facebook. Yeah. Let me see that we talking on. Yeah, nigga.
Go ahead, hit that house, Twin.
Oh.
Yo, Twin, okay,
Walk
Dan.
back. Yeah, you heard it beside the shit off.
Uncle Twin trying to get high. You got problems on Twin?
Yeah.
Okay, Dan.
Back there in the store. Oh,
yeah. Slide like motherfucker. Huh? Okay, Twin.
Oh, wait. All right.
That's what?
So you got this so tough.
Damn. That shit gas, ain't, huh?
Damn, man. I read all this for that. Yeah, I don't need no more.
Hey, Twin. They miss you, girl. They miss you in here.
Yeah. Love you too, man. Better go get them, man.
Hey.
Yeah, we going Loudland, nigga.
Yeah, we got Uncle Twin, this big ass truck. Yo.
Yeah. Smoke City, nigga. If you ain't with nine, you with nine, man.
Hell yeah. I don't got a band.
That's all I got, man. Just all my money, man. I can't get it, man.
For real.
I said, I'll take you on.
Damn, you ain't had no money, huh?
I'll take them on my bed and I'll put the light bed and all that $300. You'll get it back to him, man. Well, you put a light bed, man. Get your dog, get your baby something to eat.
Hell yeah. You know, we got your Twin on hand.
They try to give me something to eat, man. I'll put something there. Yeah, you get something to eat. I did go take care of my little grandbaby, though, because they were sick. But,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
Nobody's comfortable, man. No, my little baby, my grandbaby cool.
Don't be crying, Twin. Don't be crying.
Nigga, don't touch me because you fuck around, man, and get yourself fucked out.
Hey, dude.
Yeah, man, take me to, man. Care about that self. They try to give me a bill, man. My throat trap. Yeah, nigga, jerk that, nigga.
You trying to get some money on Twin? You trying to get some money?
Yeah, man, come on, man. You just don't get no problem, man.
Damn, what?
Man, come on, man. You know me get that thing, man. You know we anything talk together, nigga. Yeah,
I'm finna come in.
Come on, you get that shit and get back to you. Come on.
Yeah, you know what's
Yeah,
up,
you know what it is, nigga. Come on. Them police officers ride, too.
They be right.
Yeah, you ain't supposed to ride. Man, I'm supposed to ride. Nigga, what the next shit, my mom, man? Get the parking lot.
Yo.
Yeah, what got you on? Fuck ass, nigga. We get the dough in, nigga.
Fuck you talking about?
Fuck you mean, nigga?
Right there, huh? You finna burn the whole truck, huh?
No, I'm doing that. Yeah, nigga, they call me pen now, nigga. Ain't no talent now, nigga. Yeah.
Yo.
No, you don't geek, yo. Man, we gonna get the guy.
Go ahead, fuck.
Yeah, Professor come through.
Yeah, fuck
She
you.
said, bitch,
Yeah.
popcorn in there. Kill him.